Swung to the real, born to ill. Apostles in my A, mom's addicted to the pills. Raw deal, had dreams of making a meal, but life was a nightmare. And these demons never fight fair. Mental jihad, fighting the war, but control my mind and body while they pulling on his soul. Smoking in the dark with the clack on his lap, thinking life ain't all that, contemplating on giving it back. Flashes of his childhood, mostly all bad, hardly ever good. Funerals and collect calls from the inside. Used to ask why, till he learned it's a part of life. Had his run-ins, couple haters got done it. Wanted to be a star, did everything for funding. Fell out of touch with old friends, over distance, jealousy ends. Found love and lost it, watched people die, almost lost it. Heart exhausted, running out of options. And right now that abandoned car don't look as comfortable as that coffin. Tired of the lies, tribulations and trials, temptations and frowns, outweighing the smiles. Bullshit by the pals, live righteous and still get let down. Gambling with fate, all bets down. Nice guy finished last, trying to keep the faith instead of taking it back to the mass. Master playing profit for profit, so we passed on mass. Slave to the same system that inflicted the mass. His bitch was scandalous, jumped at the first chance she got and left her stranded. Lost his job empty-handed, older brother murdered by some bandits. Baby sis single, mother fighting famine. Mentally he could barely manage, about 2 seconds from going savage. Went from piss poor to pouring piss, don't know whether to hang, blast himself over